Hey guys, it's me Rahul and today I'm going to show you how to turn off mouse acceleration in Windows 11. So what you need to do is you just have to open up Control Panel by just searching on the search bar in Windows. Then once you are in this menu, or if you're not in this menu, just click on the View button here and change it to Category. Right? Then click on Hardware and Sound. Then from here, there is an option called Mouse under Device and Printers. Just click on that and it will open up this pop-up. Then from here, you just have to go to Pointer Options. Then at the top, there is an option called Motion. So here you can change your pointer speed, but what we are focusing on this video is turning off mouse acceleration. So we just have to uncheck on this checkbox. Enhanced pointer precision must be turned off so that there won't be any mouse acceleration. So then you click on Apply, then click on OK. So that's pretty much it. That's how you turn off mouse acceleration in Windows. Thank you.